Welcome back. How's it going? I'm Levon, and I'm here today. We're gonna be working on the LS400. I know I haven't posted up in a while, and that's due to I've been busy at work, a lot of things that came up, and I actually did film about 3 videos, and I lost the memory card. So I had to start all over, but I'll update you guys on the LS400 and see what actually happened to it, and we'll actually work on it today. So let's get started and bring the car inside the garage. Boom, and just like that, the car's in the garage. So one of the videos that I was shooting that I lost the memory card to was that this front windshield got tinted. It is 30%, I got it done here in Texas, and I actually want to go darker. It doesn't seem dark enough for me. And that's only because the lighting right now looks like it's really dark, but when the sun's out, you can kind of see straight through the windows still, even at 30%. Some more things of the lost files was that I lowered the car in the rear some more. So this is the low in the rear, and it kind of matches the front. But with your LS400s, when you lower the front too far, you can either rub your fenders for 1, or 2, you can rub into the wiring harness, which is gonna be another video. I'll show you guys how to tuck the wiring harness on your Lexus LS400. So today, we're gonna be installing my Godspeed camber arms for the rear. Here are my Godspeed arms. It's supposed to be 3 of them, but actually I only have 2 because the other one was discontinued. I don't plan on keeping these on for long, so right now I'm just doing it because I have them. I'm gonna upgrade and go with 09. I heard that's a really good company and a lot of people really run them, so I'm gonna get 09, rear camber kit, upper control arms for the front and rear. Hopefully that works out really well. So let's get ready to get this car in the air, get the Godspeed arms on, and show you guys how it looks. Alrighty, so I got the wheel off right there, the big bad daddy stocks. All that rubber on there. All right, so these 2 out of 3 arms will be replacing this arm here and this arm here. The other 3rd arm that I'm missing is this one right here, which I believe is the tow rod. So I have the traction arm and the camber arm. Wow, it's dirty down here. It's been raining a lot, so pretty dirty. All right, so I'm gonna start off by taking these bolts off right here, which would be this rod that should be replacing it. It'll go in there like that. Alright, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the stock arm compared to the Godspeed. Not too much difference besides all this adjustment right here. I've never opened this up all the way to see how far it extends out. But yeah, now that this is out, it's time to put it back on exactly the way it is and align these camber adjustments up. Well, that's really bad lighting. And to align these camber adjustments back up. Boom, so one side is done. Time to get on this other side. Alrighty, now here's the OEM comparison to the Godspeed. This one wasn't too tricky to come out, but back here, if you have the ratchet on this side, it will hit this, I don't know what to call it, but it's pretty goddamn solid. And then pulling the bolt out is gonna hit this heat shield back here. So just bend it a little bit, not too much. It'll be straight. But we're gonna go ahead here and adjust this to the same size as this OEM one and go ahead and install it back. Wow, my bad. So I had to stop the camera because I was struggling over here. I'll show you guys what my struggle was. So right here, oh, sorry, wrong one. So on this bushing, it was kind of a little bit thicker, but I guess, you know, it gotta be thick in there to have a tight fit. But I had to pry with the flathead on this side while this was caught on already, just to pull it back and forth like that. And I put some WD-40 on here to kind of lubricate it. And now I'm gonna take probably a mallet and hammer this up a little bit, get the bolt through there, and it'll be good to go. So when originally I took this down because I thought it would be easier to help put this side on, but with this in the air, it keeps it aligned and straight, and all you have to do is just worry about this end over here. So make sure you do put that side in first, and then come over here, spray some WD-40 if it's pretty dirty down there, and pry on one side. Don't pry too hard where you bend these up or anything like that, but you'll need to do that to get this in there. Alrighty, so this side is on now, connected to that. And this one is on too. And that's how they look compared to the stock arms. But it's not aligned, so I don't want you guys in the comment section saying, oh, it's not aligned, blah, blah. Yes, I know that. I'm actually gonna go and get this aligned at a shop, so I'm gonna get it fairly close to where I don't have much camber in it and go take it to a shop and have it professionally aligned. That only took me about maybe 30 minutes top. Now it's time to go on the other side and redo the whole thing over there. Alright, so I'm back now, and well, I said I'm back now because I actually just went inside and ate some food. Look, it's even dark outside now. But both sides are on. Sorry about all that. Both sides are on. These are what the stocks look like. So that's what the stocks looks like compared to the aftermarket ones, the Godspeeds. And I am still missing one. Yes, I do know. I'm missing the toe one right here. But hopefully I can get this replaced soon. I need to go get an alignment because I don't know how to do alignments. But I am going to tighten these up, button them up, put the car back on the ground, and show you guys what it looks like. And the end results are right here. Doesn't look too bad. Remember, it still doesn't have an alignment, so that's what we can work with. So one of the videos that's for sure gonna come is me installing my cut spindles for the front. Now I do want to install these, but I want to take this paint off and change the color and clean it up some more. So before I do that, we're gonna have to hit the store one day and get some sandpaper and clean this up and repaint it. Alrighty, so that's gonna wrap it up here for today's vlog. I hope you guys liked today's install, and if you guys did and you guys want to follow my LS400 project, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and continue waiting for more videos to come.